Reggie. Come on. Guys, and a boom.
What's up guys, I don't know, say it's a girl Cece, I can't talk loud, as you can see me there in the bathroom. And guys, they are back with another epic banger prank. And we know I'm going to do for Nathan, as you can see down in the title, I'm going to do the show up prank on my boyfriend. I'm going to tell you how I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to sit down, set up the camera and call him. So be honest, I'm going to feel good. I'm going to make it look like I feel real bad people. I'm going to sit up and say no. I'm going to do it. I'm going to get some water. Tell it to go for some water for me. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to walk with this man going to the kitchen. You know what I'm going to say guys. So just spam comment section and Team CC. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe guys. Please remember to turn on the notification bell because after that time we're going to get notified guys. So do that for me please guys. Yeah, please remember to watch out the ads them, watch out the video them guys. Thank you, I know some love you. So just watch this. Team CC for life, period. I'm telling you, you know, somebody will give you this one. Yeah, Dad. Come here.
Oh, man. You know what? Your belly feel bad and you stay so?
Belly feel bad, man.
How you? No, you baby, no. Come and look for something, Reggie, and stop shooting. Where are the door for?
I feel bad, Nathan.
So you feel time, you know?
No, man. No, I'm not time.
What happened?
I feel bad. Go for some water. I feel bad, man. I don't feel so. Mhm.
Maybe. What maybe you like? How are you?
Tell us I'm not feel good, go for some water.
It's in the water.
It's not water, dog. I'll bring some juice.
No, me have a beard. Me have a beard. So yeah.
I don't feel good, Nathan. So you're going to come and tell us I don't feel good.
Alright. Go sit down there now, you know, so you know, so.
Please. Go for a chair. Please,
Alright. Yeah, do bread. I don't feel bad. Reggie, come on. Tight it now. Boom! My, what kind of food in it? My, you. My food? Fuck, if you are trying to make a Reggie. My food on the plate, my. Reggie, how are you? Drink. Really close with you. My wood. My wood. Stop fucking turning that family wood. Please stop. Okay, you can't do it at the police so Virgin. You're deaf. You see if I do it one more time. Excuse, boy, you feel good. What you do? You don't drink tea this morning. Alright, you feel better now? Why you that you want to come up with? Where you don't see it? Dude.
No, but the more like more of a family right?
You feel better now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
put on this side. Awa. Yeah, that's just me.
Alright.